This is our 300W laser luggage cleaner.
Small size and lightweight. You can pull and lift. Open. This is our GYXIP 300 cleaning head. Weighs less than EKG. Small, portable and comfortable to hold. Built-in ranging function. The front is equipped with a control screen. Seal dust-proof design. Supports 9 scanning modes. Power on. Access compressed air. Release the emergency stop button. Turn on the power. System booting. Near and far dual control screen. Wear laser protective glasses. Remove cleaning head. Remove the protective mirror cover. Set parameters. Start cleaning. Line mode. Straight line mode. Rectangle mode. Circular mode. Helix mode. Free mode. Ring mode. Rotate mode.